Sutra of the Diamond Heart so clear, simply called the Diamond Sutra here.
Among all wisdom texts, it shines the most. It cuts through clinging pain and a ghost.
A dialogue with Subhūti flows, each word a stream where Dharma grows. 32 chapters deep and bright,
Zen holds it dear, a lamp of light.
The diamond teaches a heart that clings not, detached from forms, from dust and thought. The form self, being life and span, are empty signs, no fixed self stands.
If we cling to this
Body is truly me, then sorrow and fear rise endlessly. But in no self, the heart opens wide and walks the path with wisdom as guide. From non-attachment, vows arise, all things return to emptiness skies.
The Buddha said the Tathagata speaks not, yet this silence is truth not forgot.
Words are just rafts to cross the tide. They point the way, but truth they hide.
When clinging to phrases as fully real, we fall in nets that illusion weaves still. To break attachments, this Dharma was laid.
Zen was built where insight stay.
The view of the middle path is clear. Beyond all words, the truth appears.
The Bodhisattva walks with heart unbound, gives without clinging to what's around, not fixed on color, sound, or taste. Such giving brings blessings none can waste.
Emptiness is not denial nor end, but shows all things on causes depend. No fixed self in this worldly plane, impermanence is life's true name.
To see the truth of form and void is to live in peace, not to avoid. Gain and loss we count no more.
Joy and sorrow reach the shore.
In emptiness, wisdom shines so bright, and boundless compassion brings all light.
Let the mind
and still.
All conditioned things like dream, like flame, like bubble shadows, none remain.
Like dew or lightning, brief and bright, thus should we see them in this light. All that we see is caused and bound. True wisdom sees through all around. In passing forms the way appears. A heart of clarity beyond fears. These verses glow with meaning deep, recited daily, minds to keep. Calligraphy, chanting song and art, let this light remain in every heart.